Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss to you Class 12 Biology, Chapter-5, Principle of Inheritance and Variation. In previous topic, I was discussed about two gene of inheritance, that means dihybrid cross according Mendel. Today I will discuss the law of independent and assortment. According dihybrid cross, the phenotype round yellow, wrinkled yellow, round green, and wrinkled green appeared in the ratio 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Such ratio was observed in several pair of chromosomes in according Mendel study. The ratio of this 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1 can be derived from the combination of series of 3 yellow, 1 green with 3 round and 1 wrinkled. This derivation will written in the paired, that means in below, 3 round and 1 wrinkled, 3 yellow and 1 green, and 3 rounds, 9 rounds. Yellow 3 wrinkles, yellow 3 rounds green, 1 wrinkles green. According this ratio, we observed dihybrid cross between plants differing into two traits. Mendel proposed the second law, a set of generalization that we calls Mendel's law of independent assortment. The law states that when two pair of traits are combined in hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of other pair of characters. The scientist Punnett square can be effectively used. The understand of independent segregation of two pair of genes during the meiosis and the production of pollen or eggs in F1 generation, capital R, small y, small r, capital R, small r, capital Y plants, that plants considered to segregate one pair of genes, capital R and small r. That means we can observe according this rule, 50% of gametes have the gene capital R and other 50% gene have gamete in small r. Now besides each gametes having either capital R or small r, it should be have the alleles capital Y and small y. The important things to remember here is that the segregation of 50% capital Y and 50% small y. Therefore, 50% gametes bearing have Y and other 50% small y. Thus, there are four genotypes of gamete, that means four types of pollen grain are X. The four types of capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Each with the frequency of 25%. That means we can say that 1 upon 4th of the total gamete produced in these four types of pollens are X on two sides of A Punnett square is very easy to derive the composition of zygote. Thus, they give rise to F2 plants. Have to obtain a 16 squares has many different types of genotype and phenotype are formed. That means we can observe according to unit Punnett square data work out the genotype ratio of F2 stays will fill with the format that's given. That means the genotype ratio is also 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Thanks.